Hey folks, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm on board a 2020 Bennington 22 SSRX equipped with the SPS Performance System Tri-Tune package and a Yamaha 150. Come on board and take a better look. This boat has the midnight black paneling with a nice contrasting interior. It has the sandstone with the carbon diamond pressed accent, pillow top upholstery. This boat has the seagrass flooring that's tinted to match the sandstone upholstery. It has the stern radius seating arrangement, which means it has the captain and co-captain's chair. It's one of our most popular floor plans. And they take the same front radius seats and place them in the back, so you get the most versatile seating arrangement with lots of capacity to have all your friends and family on board. Full instrumentation with a Kicker Bluetooth stereo and Garmin Striker 4 unit. And lots of creature comfort features like a tilt steering wheel with hydraulic steering, a captain's chair that will swivel, recline with flip-up armrests, and of course it's going to have a ski tow bar on it to pull all the kids on tubes, skis, and wakeboards. Come on down to the dealership to see us today. We've got plenty more like this inside the showroom, so no matter the weather, you can come enjoy taking a boat, look at a boat in comfort.